how to play a beautiful song, I Gave My Life for Thee, 19th century gospel hymn classic. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody, because you may just want to play the melody in one hand. And you've got, starts on an F, we're in the key of B flat, so we've got two flats. F, 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 D, E flat, F, G, B flat, A, G, F, F, E flat, F, D, F, 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 D, E flat, F, G, B flat, A, G, F, F, A, G, A, B flat, B flat, C, 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 B flat, A, B flat, F, B flat, A, G, A, B flat. Repeats that line, B flat, C, 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 B flat, A, B flat, F, B flat, A, G, A, B flat. Now for your left hand, you're basically going to work off of three harmonies, B flat, E flat, and F. And you may have an F7 in there, right there, but we'll start off with that F7 for the introduction. So you've got an E flat, or you can play it down here, either place. So we start off with that E flat and the F representing the F7, and then we go to the B flat arpeggio. And then we're into the main body of the chord. And you can play it, you can play that melody a couple of ways. You could play it with just a single note bass. F, B flat, E flat, B flat, F, B flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, F, B flat. See, it works. And then we're into that refrain chorus. Then we got an F, E flat, B flat, D, F, E flat. So you can play it with a single note bass through the chorus. F, E flat, B flat, D, F, E flat, B flat, D. And then end with the D and the B flat and the arpeggio. And then that'll lead you right into the verse where you can play it. I'll play with the introduction that I have written in the letter notes and the go right into the verse. Now here you're going to B flat, then a D and F, E flat, and then G and B flat, B flat, F, B flat. Just right up the B flat arpeggio, and then we do it again. So it'll sound like. D if you want to, but it's not necessary. Then when we get to that refrain chorus, we got a B flat, C, and we've got F, C and E flat, B flat, D and F, F, C and E flat, B flat. Back to that, B arpeggio, F, C and E flat, B flat, D and F, F, C and E flat. And for the last time, you'll just put a little tag on that ending. So it'll sound like this. up the arpeggio, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, and then roll that, or you can work it right on up. So you can just arpeggiate it all the way up. I gave my life for the 19th century gospel hymn. Hope you enjoy playing it.